I spent 22 years with the Drug Enforcement Administration. I worked undercover in California and throughout the world. I was offered the position of resident agent in charge here in the Florida Keys. I moved here, never left. I could be anybody in the world, I'd be me. I live in paradise. My wife is beautiful and fantastic. I have phenomenal friends. It's the greatest place in the world to live. And we have a phenomenal community here.
Uniform personnel, hand salute!
You did a great job. I'm really proud of you. Okay? I did everything that I could to be healthy. And boy, it came slamming down fast. I was on the phone with my brother, and suddenly I had a pain in my back, and that was unlike any pain I had ever known.
What happens in aortic dissection is that there is a tear, okay, in the aorta, and the blood seeps in between the layers so that the inner two layers are separated from the outer layer, and the blood seeps and sort of dissects the tube all the way around. It could be all the way down to the legs, it could include the brain vessels, it include the kidney vessels, and it's a catastrophic event.
Dr. Moreno was in there for over 7 hours. They had to lower my body temperature to 18 degrees Celsius. And then they had 40 minutes to do the work. I woke up that afternoon, probably around 4 or 5 o'clock, not knowing what had happened. And my daughters were there. I said, did I almost die? Because both of them were there. That's the only way, I mean, you know. And the one goes, oh yeah, we're pretty sure you did. And they started telling me what had happened.
He's doing good. The last CAT scan he has is normal for a person who has an aortic dissection.
I've been called a walking, talking miracle. Hey, you can go online. You don't read too many success stories. And I am. Thank you to everybody involved. Thank you to Baptist Health.